Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Credit card rewards, so make sure to watch the full video. Introduction. Credit card rewards have become a popular way for people to earn benefits while making their regular purchases. With various strategies and tips available, individuals are eager to maximize their rewards and get the most out of their credit card usage. In this context, understanding the best practices and techniques for earning rewards can help individuals achieve their financial goals and make the most of their spending. 1. Choose a credit card with rewards that fit your spending habits. Choosing a credit card can be overwhelming, especially when considering the vast array of options available. One crucial factor to consider is the rewards program offered by credit cards. Different credit cards offer different types of rewards, such as cashback, points, miles, or discounts. To get the most value out of a credit card, it's essential to choose one that offers rewards that align with your spending habits. To start, take a closer look at your spending habits. What types of purchases do you make most frequently? Do you dine out often, travel frequently, or make most of your purchases from a particular store? Once you have a better understanding of your spending habits, you can start looking for a credit card that offers rewards that match those purchases. For example, if you are someone who frequently dines out at restaurants, you may want to consider a credit card that offers cash back or points on dining purchases. Many credit cards offer rewards for dining purchases, ranging from 1% to 4% cash back or 1 to 3 points per dollar spent. Similarly, if you are a frequent traveler, you may want to look for a credit card that offers rewards, such as airline miles or hotel points. These rewards can help offset the cost of travel expenses, making your trips more affordable. If you're a frequent shopper at a particular store, you may want to consider a credit card that offers discounts or cash back on purchases made at that store. For example, many store-branded credit cards offer discounts on purchases made at that store, ranging from 5% to 20% off. Additionally, some credit cards offer rotating categories that earn bonus rewards, such as 5% cash back on gas purchases or 3% cash back on grocery store purchases. When selecting a credit card, it's also important to consider any annual fees or interest rates associated with the card. While some credit cards may offer great rewards, they may come with high annual fees or interest rates that could offset the value of the rewards earned. It's essential to weigh the costs and benefits of each credit card before making a final decision. 2. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Credit cards can be a great tool to help manage your finances and earn rewards. And one of the best ways to maximize those benefits is to take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer generous bonuses for new customers who meet certain spending requirements within a specified time frame. However, before jumping in and signing up for a new card, it's important to understand the terms and conditions of the offer and ensure that you can meet the spending requirement without overspending or creating debt. First and foremost, it's important to read the terms and conditions of the offer carefully. Make sure you understand the minimum spending requirement, the time frame in which you need to spend that amount, and any other conditions that may apply. For example, some offers may only be available to new customers, while others may require you to have a certain credit score or income level. Once you've read through the terms and conditions and confirmed that you're eligible for the offer, it's time to consider whether you can realistically meet the spending requirement. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits and make a plan to ensure you can meet the requirement without overspending or creating debt. Consider using the card for everyday expenses like groceries and gas, and avoid making unnecessary purchases just to meet the requirement. It's also important to keep in mind that some cards may have an annual fee, which can eat into the value of the sign-up bonus if you're not careful. Make sure you factor in any annual fees when calculating the overall value of the offer. If you decide to sign up for a new card with a sign-up bonus, make sure you're keeping track of your spending and paying off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. And don't forget to enjoy the rewards you've earned. Whether it's cash back, points, or miles, make sure you're taking advantage of the benefits the card has to offer. 3. Use your credit card for everyday purchases. Using a credit card for everyday purchases can be a smart financial strategy, as it allows you to earn rewards on purchases you would make anyway. This is especially true for purchases like groceries and gas, which are essential expenses for most people. When you use a credit card that offers rewards, such as cashback or points, for every dollar spent, you can accumulate rewards quickly over time. For example, if you spend $500 on groceries and gas each month and your credit card offers 2% cash back on those purchases, you could earn $120 in cash back rewards over a year. In addition to earning rewards, using a credit card for everyday purchases can also help you track your spending more easily. Many credit card issuers provide online tools that allow you to see your spending by category, which can help identify areas where you may need to cut back or adjust your budget. Of course, it's important to use credit responsibly when using a credit card for everyday purchases. This means paying off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and not spending more than you can afford to pay back. It's also important to choose a credit card with rewards that align with your spending habits so you can maximize your rewards earning potential. 4. Pay your credit card balance in full every month. Credit cards can be a convenient and useful tool for managing your finances and earning rewards. However, if you're not careful, carrying a balance on your credit card can result in hefty interest charges that can quickly eat away at any rewards you may earn. To get the most out of your credit card rewards, it's important to pay your balance in full every month. When you carry a balance on your credit card, you're essentially borrowing money from the credit card company. While this can be a convenient way to finance a large purchase or manage unexpected expenses, it comes with a cost. Credit card companies charge interest on the balance you carry, which can add up quickly if you're not careful. For example, let's say you have a credit card with a $5,000 balance and an interest rate of 20%. If you only make the minimum payment each month, it could take you years to pay off the balance, and you'll end up paying thousands of dollars in interest charges. Even worse, if you continue to use the card and add to the balance, the interest charges will continue to accumulate, making it even harder to pay off the debt. On the other hand, if you paid your credit card balance in full every month, you can avoid paying interest charges altogether. This means that any rewards you earn from using the card will be pure profit, since you won't be giving any of it back in interest charges. To maximize your credit card rewards, it's important to choose a card that offers rewards that are meaningful to you. For example, if you travel frequently, a card that offers airline miles or hotel points may be a good choice. If you prefer cashback, look for a card that offers a high cashback rate on the types of purchases you make most often. 5. Keep track of your rewards. One of the benefits of owning a credit card is the rewards that come with it. Credit card rewards programs are designed to incentivize users to use their credit cards to make purchases, and the rewards can come in the form of cashback, points, miles, or other rewards. However, it's essential to keep track of your rewards balance and understand how your credit card rewards work to ensure that you get the most out of your credit card. Firstly, it's crucial to understand how your credit card rewards work. Different credit card reward programs have different structures, and some may offer rewards in the form of cashback, points, miles, or other rewards. For example, a cashback rewards program may offer you a percentage of your spending back as cash, while a points or miles program may offer you points or miles for every dollar spent. These points or miles can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or other rewards. It's important to know the terms and conditions of your credit card rewards program, such as the expiration date of the rewards, the redemption restrictions, and how you can redeem your rewards. Some credit cards have expiration dates on their rewards, which means that you must use your rewards within a specific time frame or risk losing them. Similarly, some rewards may have restrictions on how you can redeem them, such as requiring a minimum number of points or miles before redemption. Keeping track of your rewards balance is essential to make the most of your credit card rewards. You can keep track of your rewards balance by logging into your credit card account online or using the credit card issuer's mobile app. It's essential to keep track of your rewards balance regularly to know how much you have earned and how much you need to redeem to avoid losing your rewards. To maximize your credit card rewards, it's also important to understand how you can redeem your rewards. Many credit cards offer various ways to redeem your rewards, such as cashback, travel, merchandise, gift cards, and more. Some credit cards may also offer higher redemption rates for certain types of rewards, such as travel. It's important to compare the different redemption options to find the one that offers the most value for your rewards. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.